Hello and welcome back to our series on how to use some of the lesser known functions in Power BI. Today we're going to be looking at the map as well as the filled map. So starting with the map, it's important to know that it's not going to be able to help us if we don't have an internet connection, because the map and the filled map actually pull from Bing's search engine in order to bring us data about different locations we're going to examine today. So to start, we'll bring countries into the location field, and we can see that this pulls up a world map. It shows us where each country location is just by using its name. Now I'm going to bring the country population into the size field. Size impacts how large each bubble will be. I use population just for data purposes, so you can see how much larger China and India's population are than Germany, the US, and Brazil. And then we're also going to bring countries into legend, just so it's easier for us to see where each country is on the map. And from here we can zoom in with our mouse wheel. We can just drag around the map and look at whatever we need to look at. So we also see that we have latitude and longitude fields. However, they can't be utilized if any other location data is already being used. So we're going to pull all of this out. We're going to drag latitude in. We're going to drag longitude in. We can see that it was for 5 states around the United States. So if we go over Ohio, we get Ohio's latitude and longitude. Now from here, we're going to move to the filled map. We can see that its inputs are pretty much the same, however, it does not have the size feature that the other map did. And that will become clear when we drag location for cities. And now we see that there is not the dot that we had on the other map. We actually have a filled in space on the map. In this case, it's showing us where all of these city limits extend to. So we have Youngstown down here. That was Columbus. We're up here with Cleveland right now. And right now, we can see that when going into date format, coming down to map styles, we're in road right now. And if we zoom in, it kind of does look like Google Maps. We have all the roads labeled for us. So we can feel free to switch this up if we want to do something more topographical. Now our aerial view is going to show us what the ground actually looks like, as opposed to just showing us the roads. From this format field, you can do the same thing on both maps. You can change the theme. You can change different colors if you wanted to get away from the blue. And so hopefully, if you ever need to write down some data that'll take you all over the globe, or maybe just to some locations within your state or within your city, you'll be able to use either the map or the filled map to help you do that.